No way. Studio is finally here. It's so compact and it feels M5 Ultra chip. M5 Ultra. This is going to be insanely fast.
Today we're checking out AI Video Marketing Studio at your fingertips. We're going to be seeing how good these AI models at video generation are getting. This is going to be using Seedance, and apparently this marketing studio, one prompt is your entire campaign. They're saying they can replace $30,000 worth of marketing campaign budgets with just a simple AI prompt. So if you have a product you want to sell, for example, a t-shirt or, you know, all that kind of cool stuff that you guys do, the merch, or maybe applications or whatever you guys do out there, let me know in the comment section below. Let's see how all this works. So you can do a TV spot, user, is that UGC? You got tutorials, product reviews. So I can do an advert based on some of the tutorials we do on this channel. That'll be fun. Your marketing toolkit. So you just paste in a URL and it's going to make a video advert for it. And you can have a cast of avatars. They're apparently going to stay consistent, the characters that you made, consistent between the scenes. And it uses Seedance 2. Now, Seedance 2, I've been waiting to try out this model, so I'm going to be trying out here on advert, and maybe I'll do another video just trying it out, just doing my own kind of stuff. And this is going to be amazing to see it work. So you got all these avatars, 40 avatars you can create in seconds, and how to start. So you add your product, you pick an avatar, you choose the mode, and just hit generate, and it will be done. So 4 steps. We're going to try it out right now. I want to see how do I start. So start creating, and I have to add my card, and then you get 300 free credits. So we'll find out how much credits cost and all that kind of stuff. Remember, the budget we're trying to beat is 30,000 USD. So what is UGC? So UGC is social media adverts. So you get like pretty lady just try out your product. Someone's just talking about how good the blender is, a handbag, a drink, someone rocking it. And oh, this one looks kind of cool. I like this one. I don't know what it's for. And it says I can just add in a URL. So my product, I'm just gonna add in a website. You know what? I'm gonna do xcreate.com to see if it can advertise that situation for me. And it's creating a product. It's gonna take seconds. You know what? I wish I was a time traveler with, you know, some hardware, of course, and this website, of course, and all this kind of stuff. But I can like go back in the past and just, you know, start my own marketing studio and just get the AI to do the work for me. Of course, if I was a time traveler, I could just make money in other ways. But it's just, that's the idea that came to my brain. So state-of-the-art local AI. The product has been added. Now I need to add in an avatar. So Clara, she stands out. Sophia, that's a nice name. Oh, we got Stefan, Jaden, Eric, Priya. There is so many people you can add. I like the furry jacket on this one. You know, I'm going to have to do Audrey just because she has that jacket on. And there's a pro virtual try on. So these are the different formats we can choose. I'm going to go with wildcard. That looks cool. And is that it? It's going to cost me 32 credits. So previously offered 300 credits. So 32, you can get around just under 10 generations for free if you give them your card. And is that it? Do I just, the settings button over here. So you get to choose the aspect ratio and the resolution. I'm going to stick it 720. Duration, I'm going to go for 15 seconds. I'm going to get my money's worth. Okay, 60 credits for that one, but I'm going to keep it 720p because I just don't know if it will be any good. But let's just hit generate and we'll see how long this takes. I'm going to see if I can do one more. So I'm going to click on Mac. I'm going to go with the Mac Studio. I'm going to give them that link, except I'm going to make it for the M5 Ultra. So I'm going to give it to Clara this time. She looks like a Mac kind of person. And I'm going to make it an unboxing showing how amazingly fast it is. And this time around, I'm going to make it a widescreen, 16:9, 15 seconds still. This is going to be an unboxing. All right. So unfortunately, getting the product situation from the website, it says, please try again later. Your import files or prompt just wasn't working out. So I think maybe you should upload pictures directly or something like that. But we do have some generations here. So I just gave it a text prompt with the avatar. And look at that. Look at that. I just want to show you.
Okay, Mac Studio is here. M5 Ultra. This is going to be insanely fast.
Look at that. We got the M5 Ultra right on our fingertips. I might actually just get her to do some benchmarks for me, and then I can just use that as the video on YouTube. Yeah, get ready for the M5 Ultra review coming soon, thanks to this generation. Now, I did make a slightly longer version, so let's see. I guess this M5 was slightly dark. Look, that's got the space gray situation, but that's...
No way, Mac Studio is finally here. M5 Ultra chip, this is gonna be insanely fast. It's so compact and it feels so premium. I'm actually shaking.
Just shaking. And I'm shaking because did you see the port that they've got on the M5? What's that? That's the old school ports. That's not USB. It's got the little chip. What have they done? What happened to USB-C? What happened to Thunderbolt? They've changed it. All right, so what do you guys think of the marketing studio from Higgsfield AI? Hope you guys found this video useful and enjoyed the show.
No way, Studio is finally here. It's so compact and it feels... M5 Ultra chip. M5 Ultra, this is gonna be insanely fast. M5 Ultra chip, this is gonna be insanely fast. It's so compact and it feels so premium. I'm actually shaking.